Welcome to this episode of Estate Planning Secrets Revealed. I am attorney Tony Bell, and in this episode, we are going to be talking about construction workers. And if you are a construction worker or a family member of someone who's a construction worker, this episode is for you. In fact, the next few episodes will be for you. If you are a construction worker in the state of California, first of all, I want to say thank you. You are the backbone of our entire society here because of the buildings that we live in, the houses that we live in, that we work in. It's because of you. And so thank you so much. As a construction worker, you have a very unique skill set, as well as you have unique challenges that you face that not many other people face in professions. In fact, it has been determined through different census and surveys that were taken that if you work in the construction industry, you have a 75% likelihood of being injured on the job at some point in your construction career. Even worse news is that 1 in 200 people who work construction have the possibility of dying in the field or getting hurt seriously enough where it could lead to death. Those are very high numbers. And so the reason why I'm saying that is because you have a set of challenges before you for your job that very few other professions have. And so as a result of that, it increases the need for you to create an estate plan in a way that will take care of your family and those that you love, as well as even yourself going forward. Now, I just want to stop and say quickly, if you are injured on the job while you're doing construction, you are likely going to be entitled to workers' compensation if you are in the state of California and you are working in a capacity where you are an employee. It is very possible that you would qualify for workers' compensation. If that is the case, you can contact our office and we are happy to just kind of go over everything with you to help you in that way. However, you still need to have an estate plan established for you and for your family, and preferably now. The sooner the better. Why is that? Say that something happens, you get injured on the job, you need to have something that the hospital or the care providers would have to know what you desire. Do they resuscitate? Do they not resuscitate if you are seriously injured? Do they do CPR? No CPR. If you are in a coma, what do they do? What do you want for people to do for you? And you may say, well, I told my wife what I wanted. I told my sister what I wanted. That is not good enough because medical professionals need something in writing. And that is actually a part of your entire estate plan as a whole. In addition to that, how are you going to take care of your family if you get injured? Well, you need to establish things ahead of time, and an estate plan is uniquely designed according to what your specific needs are. And so as a construction worker, someone who is working at a port or doing construction, you need to sit down with someone who can go over everything with you and then help you put together a plan that will work best for you. It is worth the investment of your time and your money, because when it's too late, it's too late. And most of the people who are in construction that I know and that I've ever known have great hearts. They're hard workers. At the same time, they a lot of times don't think ahead to how to plan for my family. So you need to have an estate plan if you are in the construction field, especially because of the high rates of injury and mortality and those things like that. So I just wanted to encourage you with that. over the next few episodes of this show, Estate Planning Secrets Revealed, we're going to go a little bit deeper into how construction workers, port workers, how you all have special needs, and how an estate plan will help you and your families going forward. So again, this has been attorney Tony Bell with Estate Planning Secrets Revealed. I hope to see you in the next episode, where we will delve even deeper into estate planning and all of the components of estate planning as it pertains to you. So see you soon.